Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you my eyebrow routine. All the products that I use are going to be listed down below. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm using honestly I don't remember the eyebrow pencil, but I like to do little strokes on the bottom of my eyebrow after I brush them up, just so I can start creating that shape. And then I'll just fill in my little tail. And then I'll just start filling in my eyebrows. I like to use little strokes because it makes it look a little bit more natural. I also like to make my eyebrows look a little bit thicker than what they naturally look like, because I like thick eyebrows. I think it really suits my face. And then I'll just brush it, make sure all the product is nice and dispersed and evenly distributed. Wow, that word was hard to say. Then if I need to go back and fix any areas, I will. Also, don't mind my eyebrows. I know they need to be done. I'm sorry. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So if they don't look exactly the same, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. Sometimes my eyebrows look really good, and then sometimes they look like they need help.
Start to fall down, you say no fair, I never cared, keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby. Your words, they're driving me crazy. Keep talking all your shit, baby. You know that I don't fuck with all your little games, the way you make me feel.
Now I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Deep 40, and I'm going to carve up my eyebrows and prime my eyelids, because I was filming another video after this. Now I'm going to take my Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm going to just blend down my eyelid so it looks more put together, I guess. And now I'm setting my eyelids with the Patrick's powder, and that is all that I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!